Hey guys, it's me Muteeb. In this video, I will tell you about the Samsung Galaxy A54 that is released on 15 March 2023 and has been available yet. So in this video, I will tell you about its performance, features and its design based on its specification. So let's start. The Samsung Galaxy A54 offers a sleek and modern Galaxy design with a 6.5 inches 1080p Super AMOLED display. The display is bright, vibrant and had 120Hz, which gives you a smooth scrolling experience. But this year, Samsung A54 is smaller than A34 with a 6.6 inches display on A34. The phone has triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra-wide and 5 megapixel macro camera. The front-facing camera is 32 megapixel. The camera setup on this phone is good for a mid-range smartphone and it can capture good-looking photos in most lighting conditions. Galaxy A54 has 6 and 8 gigs of RAM depending upon the variant you choose. The phone experience is smooth and it can handle most of the daily tasks and games without any lag. The phone has 5000 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging, which is a great feature for mid-range smartphones, and the phone can last long up to a day with a moderate usage. The phone runs on Android 13 with Samsung One UI 5.1, and for some people, Samsung One UI is the best UI in the world, not even Apple. Overall, Samsung A54 is a solid smartphone that offers a good camera system, specification, performance and a good display. And if you're looking for a phone that is affordable and have a good specification, Samsung A54 is worth considering. And it is the end of the video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I hope you like it, and if you do a like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.